Hey everyone, Martin here. So, you want to develop a game in Godot, considering you clicked this video. And you are currently figuring out how to best implement an options menu for it, am I right? If so, let me tell you about my options menu template for Godot 4.6 and up. The link is in the description. The options menu template has everything you need and can be used for as many projects as you like. With it, your game automatically starts up with the player's default language, or English if your game doesn't support that. Of course, your players can change the language instantly without having to reboot the game. In fact, this goes for all options. Players can change the resolution for the game on the fly, choose between full screen, windowed mode and borderless window, and enable or disable VSync to their liking. The options menu supports resolutions way beyond 4K, but only shows the player those their setup actually supports. But wait, there is more. In the audio settings, you can easily add a custom volume slider for each audio channel. By default, master, music and sound are already integrated, so no extra work for you. If your game has voiceover, you might want to add another audio channel specifically for it. Here's how you do that. Just go to the Audio tab, add a new bus named Voiceover, and add a new volume slider scene to the Audio settings scene. Now, change the bus ID variable of the new volume slider to the VoiceOver audio channel. Notice how the name of the volume slider will change accordingly. And don't worry, the volume of your VoiceOver channel is automatically saved and loaded accordingly. No extra work needed. The customizable input events are another highlight of the template. Not only are your players able to assign alternate keyboard keys to each action, but they can do so with gamepad input as well. If you want to add a new input action to your game's settings menu, go to the config file manager and add the action name in configurable input actions. Then open up the input settings scene, duplicate one of the existing actions here and change its name to the name of the action. Again, quick and easy. Of course, everything your players change will be saved so that the game boots up with the preferred settings. But here's something even AAA games sometimes miss. If a player makes changes to the settings but realizes these settings aren't what they want, they can choose not to override the settings and the game will automatically reset to its previous settings. And of course, while you can use every graphic the template comes with for your own game, it's just as easy for you to change everything to fit your game's art style. This template can be used for both freeware and commercial games. Again, the link is in the video description. Let me know what you think of the template and until next time, bye bye.